At least 10 people have been arrested in connection with a serious violent incidents linked to the ongoing Apaa land conflict, which has so far claimed 4 lives and left several others injured. Security agencies have announced that suspects will be tried in a court-martial for using dangerous weapons in their attacks. According to police reports, the first attack occurred on April the 8th when a group suspected to be from the Madi community allegedly assaulted members of the Acholi community. The incident resulted in the death of patients. Again brought a 2-year-old child left Fred Okwayara injured and 6 houses burnt, Daily Monitor has established. On April the 10th, in the Hofu area, Rubanga Bina village, Ukusinjoni sub-county, a retaliatory attack believed to have been carried out by members of the Acholi community led to the death of 3 people. Police identified the victims as Mamawi Carolina, 64, a resident of Moi district, Anna Habiria, 48, and Susan Hunzia, 57, both residents of Ubongi district. 2 other people sustained severe injuries. The escalation of violence has heightened tensions in the already volatile region. The Northwest Nile Region Police spokesperson Mr. Collins Asia said the suspects are in police custody. He added that their case files are being processed to facilitate their appearance in court. The regional police commander for Northwest Nile, Mr. Joseph Mwesije, warned against acts of violence, including illegal land occupation, intimidation, and destruction of property. He said security agencies would take firm action against offenders in accordance with the law, while continuing to support peace-building interventions in the region. When we arrest someone in retaliation to the Apaa killings, we shall try them in a court-martial because they are using dangerous weapons to kill, Mr. Mwesije said. The decision to use military courts marks a significant shift in how authorities are handling the long-running land dispute, which has pitted the Acholi and Madi communities against each other for years. The Apaa conflict, rooted in contested border boundaries between Amur and Moi districts, has repeatedly flared into deadly violence despite multiple government interventions. A community meeting was held in Apaa on Monday to address the growing tensions with security embarks on community dialogue to de-escalate violence in the region, Daily Monitor reports. Local leaders have called for calm while urging the government to fast-track a permanent solution to the boundary question. Residents on both sides have expressed fear over the renewed bloodshed, with many families reportedly fleeing their homes. Human rights observers have raised concerns about the use of court-martial for civilians, arguing that such trials risk bypassing standard judicial safeguards. However, security officials insist that the nature of the attacks involving military-style weapons and coordinated assaults warrants the exceptional measure. The police commander reiterated that illegal land occupation and acts of intimidation would not be tolerated. As of Friday, authorities continue to investigate the April incidents, with more arrests possible as security forces move to prevent further reprisal attacks in the region.